know I'm hardly ever home, and it's hard to ever get me on the phone. But you get me, I never leave you alone. You ain't with me, but I got you. I spot you if your money's ever low. But kill all that pride shit, cause brothers don't hide shit. Different mothers never made his siblings divided. Our father taught us lessons through the way he provided. We're talking about bonds, this is strong as the target. Whatever you choose to do in life, I'm behind it. And shout out to my brothers not related by blood. Some people think I made it, if it's true it's because I had a team that when shit got real and I doubted my dreams. They remind me it ain't hard as it seems. I just hope that I could pay them all back for the advice that they gave. Will I ever match the price to be paid? I don't know, but I spent my whole life trying to make things right. And if you need me, I'ma be within sight, and we gon' be alright. Crazy to be your older brother. There's women, but my sister's in the category of her. I guess I got a fear of some shit that I did. Being done to them by some nigga they love dear. I only hope that the lessons that I gave them as kids stay with them in relationships and they know the biz. Cause y'all are young women now, and I see you as such. Don't need to worry cause the cloth that we cut from tough. Y'all troopers in the moment of clutch. Don't ever give up, but when things get rough, just know I'm there. A liver, heart, a kidney, just know that you got a spare. I hope to be your role model, best friend and brother. From the bottom of my heart, you know I love you. The world is yours, but I'ma hold you till you're ready and hand it over to you when your situation's steady. Just finish your college, live a little and make some mistakes and type to bounce back from. No permanent aches, and I got you with for several more than you can take.